Welcome to Walgreens, you guys. Come on and shop with me. And so, y'all know I'm going to the hygiene section, so let's keep walking. So my first stop, I want to show you guys. When I tell you guys you can get luxury perfume from Walgreens, this is what I mean. Y'all remember my favorite is Ariana Grande, right? So check out the price, and that's for a large size, $33.98. Here is the sprays. You don't want to mess, you don't want to play around with this. You don't want to get lost in that. They have some good deals on the spray section. Also, over on this section, they have other body sprays and my favorite, Dr. Teal, at the bottom. So make sure you're racking up your points, you guys. And let me know if you want me to do a separate video on how you can rack up your reward points and how I stock up on my body washes. I see them when they're on sale. Sometimes they're buy one, get one 50% off, or 2 for $8. That's when I go in. And this one was something new that I was looking at. Let me know if you guys have ever used the Cetaphil body wash. But yeah, you can find some great things like the raw sugar brand. It's in Walgreens. That's where I got that raw sugar soap that I was telling you guys about. And then when you're looking to get your soaps, check out the ones that be buy one 50% off or 2 for $12. The body washes every other week, they be on sale, either 2 for $12, 2 for $10. And use your rewards. And then y'all know my old time favorite, which is Vaseline. If y'all don't know about Vaseline by now, you must haven't been paying attention to me, because I love me some Vaseline. And then you just browse around when you need stuff. I mean, don't sleep on Walgreens. And then this was my favorite, my highlight. It was buy one, get one free. And y'all know I love Arm & Hammer. I live by it. I swear by it. Take advantage of it when you see the buy one, get one free. Or if you see those signs that have $3 reward if you purchase 2. So actually I had rewards already. So I actually just paid $3 and something for the 2 things of toothpaste. And then over on the toothpaste, going down to the mouthwash, a lot of times they have get $5 reward if you buy 2. And I always stock up on my mouthwash. And this brand right here, I don't know what the hype was all about, but I tried it. It didn't really work for me. So that's a no-go. And then for my deodorants, I always stock up when I see buy one, get one free. And a lot of you were asking me about the Arm & Hammer. But when you get the Arm & Hammer men version unscented, it works really well with keeping you dry. So for those of you that are asking about that. And then my all-time favorite section is the detergent. Last week I got my favorite Arm & Hammer with the purple, this one right here. They were 2 for $5 and I stocked up on it. And this week they got the Purex buy one, get one free. So whatever fragrance you like, check out Walgreens because they have deals like this. I swear by this stuff. The clean Arm & Hammer, these little boosters and all of that. This is one of my top favorite fabric softener. And look, $1.99. Or you can go. So I told you guys I was going to show you my little haul that I got while I was in Walgreens. So the first thing that I got was, and this is why I say you have to know how to shop in Walgreens. Because Walgreens, you have to know how to shop or you'll be spending a whole bunch of money that you don't have. So being that I have to get these for me and my daughter, they will buy one and get one 50% off. So I picked up just some regular super maxi wings, long super, you know, for, you know, when my girl come and visit, got to make sure I'm right. And then they had my favorite toothpaste, because I was using Crest for the time being, but they had them on sale. This is when I get my Arm & Hammer. It was buy one and get one free. So it was pricey. It was, I think it was like $4, but really you paying for 2. So buy one, get one free. So I took advantage of that. And then last week when I had went, I got me some lavender and honey moisturizing bath beads. Or did I get this from Walmart? I got it the last week or so. And then I bought me some, well, this is actually, yeah, this is from Walgreens, Bodycology coconut hibiscus 8 bath bombs, and of course my baby, you know, I only got 3 left, so got that. And then now that I've did the big chop again, I'm gonna do another video on that one, but I forgot to record the part when I just cut all my hair off. But I had to start over because it was damaged so bad. And so I got me some Aussie Mousse, and I got the shampoo, but I left it in the bathroom. But that is just my little small little haul that I did from Walgreens. But I hope that some of my tips that I share with you guys while shopping in Walgreens helps you. Don't sleep on Walgreens. I'm telling you, your rewards points can rack up. And actually, I only paid $2 for this. It was $4.79, so $5.13 with tax, but I had $2 in rewards. So of course that made that $3 and something. So yeah, I know I'm not gonna pass up saving money. But I hope this video blessed you guys. Let me know what other videos or what stores you want me to shop in for hygiene products so that I can give you the best bang for your buck. Remember, I love you guys. Thank you so much for rocking with me on this channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, you guys. Turn on your bell notifications so you will get notified when I do another video. Again, God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Mwah.